of achieving a very, very important milestone. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. I am Dr. Aman Jain, CHRO E2E Rail, thrilled to be hosting all of you this morning. On behalf of E2E Transportation Infrastructure Limited, I extend a very warm welcome to each one of you who are present here at the NSE, as well as our team members and all other viewers who have joined us virtually. This event is getting live telecasted through the YouTube channel, and we can actually see many of them are viewing this event through the YouTube link that we have shared. We are pleased to have each one of you with us today to commemorate the listing of the equity shares of E2E Rail on the NSE Emerge. May I now request everyone to rise up for the national anthem.
जन गण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल गंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मांगे गाहे तव जय गाथा जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे
Thank you. To be a part of this celebration today, we are joined by the leadership team from E2E Rail, along with NSE officials, our auditors, PR agencies, and HEM Securities, our book running leading manager. I would request Saurajit to please come forward and welcome our guests for today. Bouquets. Mr. Gaurav Jain, Director, HEM Securities. May I request you to come on stage? Okay. Saurajit, we'll have to welcome them as well. Center, please. Yeah. Gaurav Jain, Director, HEM Securities. Mr. Krishnan Iyer, Senior Vice President, NSE. Mr. Krishna Chaitanya Komanduri, Auditor, S. Singhvi and Associates. Mr. Vinay Rao, Member of the Audit Committee, E2E Rail. Mr. Ashwini Agarwal, Member of the Audit Committee, E2E Rail. Mr. Vijay Khetan, Chairman of the Audit Committee, E2E Rail. Ms. Sharanya Agarwal, Param Capital. Is ma'am here? Okay. Thank you, Sarajit. Thank you. All right. We'll now move on to the next important step, which is lighting the lamp with the Almighty's blessings. My request, Mr. Vijay Khetan, Mr. Ashwini Agarwal, Mr. Anshul Gupta, Saurajit Mukherjee, Vinay Rao, Yogendra Sharma ji, Himanshu Modi ji, Gaurav Jain, and Krishna Nair ji to please come on stage and light the lamp with the Almighty's blessings. Yeah. May I request Deepa also? Please come.
वक्रतुण्ड महाकाय सूर्यकोटि समप्रभ
वक्रतुण्ड महाकाय सूर्यकोटि समप्रभ
निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा
निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा
वक्रतुण्ड महाकाय सूर्यकोटि समप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा.
Thank you, everyone. Today signifies an exceptionally significant moment in the journey of E2E Transportation Infrastructure Limited, a day that will be etched in the company's history as we officially enter the public market with the stock exchange listing. What started as an ambitious vision back in 2010 has now transformed into a tangible achievement. And the listing today represents not only a financial landmark, it's a tribute to innovation, development, and all our aspirations. E2E Rail, conceptualized and headquartered in Bangalore, is an ISO 9001:2015 certified company, operating as a system integrator for rail engineering solutions across mainline, urban transit, and private siding segments. With over 15 years of experience, we offer comprehensive rail engineering services for railway infra projects, providing customized solutions for designing, procurement, supply chain, system integration, installation, testing, and signal and telecommunication. Operations and maintenance services, turnkey projects involving civil track components both in India and select international markets. Our client base includes zonal railways, public sector undertakings under Indian Railways, large-scale manufacturers, corporate entities with their privately owned rail sidings, and infrastructure development companies. With the successful public offering and today's market debut, E2E Rail begins a new phase. This listing represents not merely a financial milestone, like I said, but also a reflection of the team's commitment, vision, and confidence of all our stakeholders who have supported the vision of E2E Rail. We offer our sincere congratulations to the leaders, investors, clients, employees, and all those who have believed in us since the day of inception. Can we now have the AV, please, which showcases E2E Rail at large?
From steel and steam to digital intelligence, railways have evolved to become the backbone of modern economies. Modern railways demand more than infrastructure. They demand intelligence. Systems that operate safely, seamlessly, and at scale. E2E Rail began as a design engineering company rooted in railway signaling and control systems. Precision, safety, and engineering discipline shaped our foundation.
We started E2E with a firm belief that strong engineering is the backbone of railway safety. This belief has led to E2E's evolution from a design house to now a full-stack product plus system integration company.
As railway projects became more complex, we evolved. From design to execution, from components to complete systems, E2E Rail has grown into a technology-driven, full-stack rail infrastructure platform. Today, E2E Rail operates at scale. 250 crore plus annual revenue, 500 crore plus order book, 50 plus projects delivered, 400 plus professionals across India.
E2E is one of the very few companies in India, one which is professionally managed by a group of very driven professionals led by Saurabhjit and his team. Engineering capability and the platform which they have built is quite scalable. And obviously there is immense opportunity which the railways offer in India. And I am very excited, and that's why I am backing E2E.
Railway projects are complex systems. Our focus is end-to-end ownership so that safety, performance and reliability are engineered into every solutions we provide.
We operate across 4 core domains: signaling and telecommunication, railway electrification, integrated composite projects, and operations and maintenance. To shape the next phase of railway safety innovation, E2E Rail established Nova Control, its wholly owned deep tech subsidiary. Nova is focused on developing next generation safety critical railway products. In collaboration with Tata ELXI, Nova is co-developing its flagship solution, Kavach 4.0, advancing indigenous automatic train protection. E2E Rail, system integrator plus deep tech product company, the complete rail engineering company.
Our vision is to engineer intelligent railway systems that enable safer, smarter and more faster journeys, connecting billions of lives, strengthening economies and shaping the future of mobility.
We are committed to provide a seamless experience in the railway journey. Come, partner us in our commitment to make the rail transportation a much more safer than ever before.
We dream big.
Live the dream.
We make it happen.
E2E Rail, engineering intelligent rail systems for the future.
Thank you. May I now invite Saurabhjit Mukherjee, CEO and Director, E2E Rail, to please come forward and share a few words.
Yeah, I don't think I require this, right? Hello. Yeah. Faith is the bird that feels the light and sings when the dawn is still dark. Good morning, everyone. I returned from Shantiniketan yesterday, and this line from Rabindranath Tagore stayed with me. Because before anything becomes visible, before outcomes are certain, it always begins as belief. When we started this journey of E2E Rail, the path was not clearly defined. There was no definitive playbook, only challenges, learning, and the resolve to keep moving forward. What guided us from this very beginning was a simple conviction: build strong fundamentals, stay disciplined, and let's follow the growth. Today, as E2E Rail becomes the first IPO of 2026, this moment represents not just a culmination, but a transition, a step into a larger role and deeper responsibility. The work, what we do, really matters. Railway signaling and safety systems quietly shape everyday life across the country. Every safe journey, every reliable operation, every improvement in efficiency touches millions of lives. That sense of purpose, creating impact beyond business, has always guided us. And it will continue to shape our vision for the future as well. Our greatest strength has been always our people, engineers, technicians, and the project teams which are across the entire geography of India, who believes in ownership, who believes in rigor and teamwork. For all of us, E2E Rail is just not an organization. There are a lot of people sitting over here today, where E2E Rail signifies emotion, a shared commitment. And today, that family grows as thousands of shareholders also become part of this journey. The response to our IPO has been truly humbling, with subscriptions in excess of 29,500 crore and participation from investors across categories. The market has placed a strong confidence in us. We accept this not just as a validation, but a deep sense of responsibility. A responsibility to honor that trust by delivering with greater energy, sharper focus, and financial prudence, while remaining anchored to the fundamentals which brought us today here. As we look ahead, our intent is clear. Our vision for E2E Rail is not just to grow in scale, but to grow in strength, relevance, and purpose. To build systems that make journeys safer, operations more efficient, and connectivity more inclusive, serving millions today and shaping billions tomorrow. We believe enduring institutions are built when ambition is guided by responsibility and when progress is anchored in values. That belief will guide every decision we take, every promise we make. I'd like to acknowledge also those who have walked this journey with us. First of all, I am deeply grateful to my parents for the values that shaped me, and to my wife and family for their patience, support, and belief through uncertainty and sacrifice. I sincerely thank our earliest investors, Zephyr, Peacock, and Venturist, for backing our vision early and standing by us through every phase. My thanks to our chairman and the board of directors for their guidance and stewardship. I also thank Indian Railways, our clients and our partners, whose trust and collaboration helped us scale responsibly and build a growth story we are proud of. As we move forward, the road ahead will demand more discipline, more innovation, and more courage. But we are ready. We are ready because we are powered by people grounded in fundamentals and united by belief. To the National Stock Exchange, our investors, and all stakeholders, I wish the new year a year of growth, resilience, and progress that moves our markets and our economy forward. From the entire E2E Rail family, I wish all of you a very happy new year. The journey continues, the purpose is clear, the best is yet to come. As like said, ये तो सिर्फ ट्रेलर था, पूरा पिक्चर अभी बाकी है. Thank you.
ये तो सिर्फ ट्रेलर था, पिक्चर अभी बाकी है. Absolutely. And that's going to be our mantra for this year as we move forward. I now request our chairman, E2E Rail, Mr. Vinay Rao, to please come forward and share a few words.
It's a very proud moment for all of us at E2E Rail. And what started off as I would say, a thought process as to why we can't ask ourselves to grow higher and bigger, right? Resulted in a series of actions which has led us to this moment here. First of all, a very happy new year to all of you. I would like to sort of thank all the dignitaries, Mr. Krishnan from NSC, Gaurav from HEM Securities, my board of directors, Himanshu Modi ji, Sharanya Agarwal, who is also here. It's been a phenomenal journey with the help of all of you for us to be able to reach here. And it's a very overwhelming moment for me personally. I'm sure it is a lot more overwhelming to Saurajit, who has been at it for so long and has been someone who constantly focused on not just vision, but execution. I think a great thing about Saurajit, and in fact our entire team, is it's not just vision that we sort of come up with. We focus very heavily on converting that vision into execution. And I think that's what has sort of kept us in a different league with respect to the industry that we are in, right? So I'm very grateful to my team, Saurajit, Anurag, Amitava, Suresh, Chaitanya, Sri Lakshmi. They have done amazing work. They have been at it for a long time. It's been a long process. IPO is never easy. As an investor, I've had the benefit of looking at IPOs a couple of times, but when it comes to your own IPO, I think the struggle that we have all gone through together is just phenomenal. And I'm very glad that we have been able to successfully do this and arrive at this moment. I think the spirit of E2E can be captured just in this one question that we keep asking ourselves, which is, why not, right? We started off back in 2010. I think the video sort of spoke about how we started. We started as a design house, right? In 2017-18, we came up with the same question as, why not? Why not we go beyond design? Why not we look at system integration, given that we already have a lot of know-hows from the design experience that we had, right? And that question led us to sort of exploring system integration and becoming a leader in system integration. In 2020, during COVID, it was a very difficult time for a business like ours, right? Dealing with B2G segment, working capital is always a challenge. So the question of why not and how banks can support us and how do we approach and educate the fintech sector on how to take a look at a business like ours, which has significant growth potential, led to opening up of several financial institutions who supported us. And it just resulted in a situation where, with that financial support, we were able to sort of, without taking in equity, grow significantly fast and reach a milestone that made this company attractive for a lot of investors, right? Again, back in 2022, we asked this question of why not? And we said, why can't we go and explore private sidings, right? We now have the know-hows, we have the understanding of supply chain, we have the understanding of systems and packages. Why not B2B, right? And this question led us to starting the B2B segment, and we again are now one of the leaders in the B2B segment, right? And this question of why not continued in 2025, 2024. We asked this question of why not, and why can't we become a product company ourselves, right? And that led us to sort of working with the likes of Tata Elxsi, to build Kavach for Indian Railways. So this spirit of E2E can be captured in this word, why not? And we have been constantly asking this question, and we'll continue to ask this question. And hopefully, with that question, we will be able to build a lot more value for ourselves, our shareholders, as well as everyone who believes in this company. Right? At this moment, it is also important for us to sort of recognize the people who have played a very pivotal role in for us to be able to sort of be here and do this. First of all, I would like to thank Sharat Naru, Managing Partner of Venture East, as well as Mukul Gulati, Managing Partner of Zephyr Peacock, who back in 2012 saw fit that this sector is going to go through a significant revolution, and made that private equity investment, which led us to sort of take that opportunity and build on it. Right? So it was a very pivotal moment for the company when these two gentlemen invested in E2E Rail. And E2E Rail, we have had very interesting journeys, lot of ups and downs, and there are several people. I would like to sort of remember George Thomas as well as Abhijit Kudwa, both of whom have stood very strong with the company and have been able to sort of guide this company in a direction that we again are in a position to take leverage of, right? And more recently, investors who came on board, including Mukul Agarwal ji, Himanshu Modi ji, Ashwini ji, all of them have reinforced the belief and the vision that we have been having, right? And their confidence in us just reinforces the fact that our vision is right and we are headed in the right direction. We take a lot of inspiration from that belief. So thank you very much for all your support, right? Finally, I would definitely want to thank Gaurav Jain, Hem Securities. They have done a phenomenal job for us, and their support, their belief in us, the process that it took almost 1.5 years to be with us, to support us, to guide us, has resulted in this phenomenal listing as we stand today, right? I've been told that this is the SME IPO that has received the highest bids across all SME IPOs, and it's a testament to what Hem Securities has done for us. So thank you, Gaurav. Lastly, I would be remiss if I don't remember, the set of people who have made me who I am. Certainly, I would like to sort of thank my parents. Their belief or their confidence in me has always made me aspire to do more things in life. My sister, my brother-in-law, my in-laws, they have been the biggest cheerleaders for me, and I can't ask for anything more than that. Finally, my wife, her sacrifices is the basis on which I know I can measure a lot of my successes today. A lot of sacrifices from her end, which enables me to sort of do what I do. And finally, my two naughty kids who sit here, they remind me of why I do what I do. Yeah. Thank you very much. And
thank you, Vinay. We're actually running on time, and that is a very good thing. And now is the final moment we all have been eagerly waiting for, has finally arrived. Yes, it's the bell ringing ceremony. There are a few more minutes, and while we get ready for it, may I request okay, 54. May I request Mr. Gaurav Jain, Hem Securities, to please come forward and share a few words.
Good morning all. Wish you a very happy new year first of all. And it's a moment of pleasure and proud to invite you again to the listing ceremony of E2E Rail on the NSE exchange platform. I feel this is not a landmark moment, not because the company is getting listed on the public market, but it's also a journey that company has done with all the vision, with all the complexities that goes into a sector that is railways in India. So a great applause for this important thing that has been done. As Hem Securities, we are truly humbled to have run this IPO transactions of approximately 84.22 crores. What an IPO. I can very surely tell all of you, none company than E2E has been able to raise oversubscription of 29,500 crores till date from 2012 in India on the SME segment. This also marks 144th listing by Hem Securities. And I feel this is the trust of all our clients, confidence of all our investors, and our commitment for capital market excellence. The journey for E2E on the stock market started on 26th December. The IPO opened on 26th December, closed on 30th December. I would give you an interesting figure in railway terminology. 6.65 lakh applicants was received. This is the daily passenger loads of top railway stations in India coming together to apply into E2E. So what a response. The overall IPO was subscribed 490 times. The QIB was oversubscribed by almost more than 230 times. The HNI was subscribed almost 870 times, and retail approximately 550 times. Again, all these figures are, we do a lot of IPOs every year, but these huge oversubscriptions are for very fewer IPOs, not even for Hem Securities for India. So heartiest congratulations to the entire E2E Rail team on all this. I would also like to acknowledge NSE for your continuous support to us. Thank you so much, sir. We have with us Vijay Khetan ji, we have Himanshu Modi ji, we have Ashwini ji. Thank you again for all the role that you have played. A special thanks to Mukul Agarwal ji for placing reliance on this company way back in 2024, investing long back, and then what a journey we saw. To all the auditors, legal advisors, our team, I could see Abhishek, Ayush, the team at our Jaipur office, Saurabh, Gaurav Sen, Nidhi, the IPO placement team led by Ramadin Rane, Prabal, Nitin, Bhumika. So, and a special again thanks to the entire E2E Rail team who was there in execution. What a support we received. I feel whatever document that was required was given to us way back on time. I feel we just have one more minute. I'll just take, I would give a very special acknowledgement to Saurajit ji and Vinay ji for the energy that you brought in every meeting of the roadshow that was done, the passion with which entire company was explained to investors, and the results everybody knows. So as E2E Rail endeavors to a new chapter, 2.0. We wish best of luck, building India on tracks of integrity, powered by innovation, and let's build something very robust for generations to come. Thank you so much, and wishing best of luck once again.
Thank you. Thank you, Gaurav. So the moment has arrived. May I now request Ms. Saranya Agarwal, Himanshu Modi ji, Ashwini Agarwal ji, Anshul Gupta ji, Vijay Khetan ji, Saurajit Mukherjee, Ms. Pandana Mukherjee, Vinay Rao, Ms. Srilata Rao, and family to please come on stage for the bell ringing ceremony. As the timer strikes 10, please join in the countdown with as much enthusiasm as you can. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Congratulations, and with that, E2E Transportation Infrastructure Limited is now officially listed on the National Stock Exchange. A proud moment for the entire team and a new chapter in our incredible journey, from vision to reality. Today marks a milestone of growth, trust, and global ambition. We extend our heartfelt congratulations to the leadership, stakeholders, and everyone made this achievement possible. Now I request the entire E2E Rail team to come on stage for a picture. All right, let's stand together for a group picture. Just FYI, we all are live. Let's quickly get together for a group picture. Team E2E. program abhi baki hai. Can we, that's the last one. We will have the place for ourselves. There is a program still left. So we complete the program and then click as many pictures. All right. I know there is a lot of energy. We will click pictures after we finish the formal program. Yeah. Thank you. Thank you. All right. Thank you, everyone. May I now request Mr. Krishnan Iyer, Senior Vice President, NSE, to please come forward and share a few words with us.
Shri Saurabhjit Mukherjee, Whole-Time Director and CEO, E2E Transportation Infrastructure Limited. Shri Vinay Rao, Non-Executive Director and Chairman. Shri Mukul Gulati, Shri Anshul Gupta, Non-Executive Directors of E2E Transportation Infrastructure Limited. Shri Gaurav Jain, Director, HAME Securities. Other dignitaries, employees, family members. Good morning. First of all, wish you all a very happy new year and a warm welcome to all of you for the listing ceremony of E2E Transportation Infrastructure Limited. NSE is proud to welcome E2E Rail to our family of listed corporates, and this will be the 705th company to list on the NSE Emerge platform. The total market capitalization of NSE Emerge listed companies has crossed about 2,22,000 crores, and the total funds raised by all the companies listed on NSE Emerge platform till date is about 21,500 crores. And from today onwards, E2E Transportation Infrastructure Limited will be an integral part of it. India is the 4th largest capital market in the world after US, China, and Japan. And India's market capitalization has grown about 120 times since NSE started its operations in 1994. And it stands at about 474.79 lakh crores, approximately US 5.28 trillion. Today, NSE has over 12 crore unique registered investors, having about 23 crore accounts, reaching 99.9% of all the PIN codes registered in the country. That covers 20% of all the households directly investing in the stock markets. It is a testament to India's entrepreneurial spirit and the confidence that the investors have in our entrepreneurs. The IPO of E2E Rail, with an issue size of about 84.22 crores, garnered a very good response, and I congratulate the entire team of E2E Rail, the merchant banker HAME Securities, and all other parties who were associated with this IPO for this accomplishment. Today's successful listing is a testimony of all your efforts. At NSE, we are committed to facilitating fundraising opportunities for upcoming organizations to chart their growth stories and to make capital markets more accessible. We hope that with today's successful listing of E2E Rail will inspire many more companies to look at public markets as a promising alternative. We once again welcome E2E Transportation Infrastructure Limited to NSE, and we hope that with this listing today, it's a start of a strong partnership, and we look forward to all your future fundraising endeavors also. Thank you and Jai Hind.
Thank you. To commemorate the significance of this event, we will now have the exchange of mementos. I now invite Shri Krishna Ayerji, NSE, to present a memento to E2E Transportation Infrastructure Limited, commemorating our successful listing and partnership with the exchange. To present a listing certificate, listing bell, and proud to be listed badge, may I request Saurajit Mukherjee to please come forward. Congratulations. Congratulations, and thank you, Saurajit Mukherjee, for joining us on stage. Request Krishna Ayerji to please stay back on the stage. NSE will now present a memento to the merchant banker in recognition of their expert guidance and contribution to this successful listing. May I request Krishna Ayerji, NSE, to present a special memento to Gaurav Jain, Hem Securities. I request Krishna Ayerji to be on stage, please. I now request Mr. Saurajit Mukherjee, CEO E2E Rail, to present a memento to NSE as a gesture of appreciation for their unwavering support and partnership in this listing journey. I request both of you to be on stage. One more. We now have a surprise for E2E Transportation Infrastructure Limited team from NSE, requesting Mr. Krishna Ayerji, NSE, to do the honors. Saurajit Mukherjee, as well as I request Vinay Rao to please join us on stage. That's the live moment of 10 a.m. today being presented to us. May I request Gaurav Jain, M Securities, to please come on stage. Mr. Saurajit Mukherjee, CEO E2E Rail, will now present a memento as a gesture of appreciation for their unwavering support and partnership in this listing journey. E2E Transportation Infrastructure Limited will now present mementos to special partners whose contribution has been instrumental in successful listing of the company. May I request Vinay Rao and Saurajit Mukherjee to please come on stage. May I request Krishna Chaitanya Komunduri to please come on stage, our auditor, Singhvi and Associates. Pavan Kumar. Okay. Vijay Jain ji. Okay. Okay. May I request Vijay Khetan ji to please come on stage. May I request Ashwini Agarwal ji to please come on stage. Ms. Saranya Agarwal. And one from Saurajit Mukherjee to Vinay Rao. Mr. Himanshu Modi ji. We're good. Now. Mr. Anshul Gupta ji. Mr. Yogendra Sharma ji. Aman Soni. Thank you, everyone. We now invite our merchant banker to present mementos as a token of gratitude to E2E Rail for their pivotal role in making this listing journey a success. Gaurav Jain to present the memento to Saurajit and Vinay Rao. we missed out on one name. May I request Mr. Varun Kumar to please come on stage and request Suresh Madali as well as Saurajit Mukherjee to felicitate. Thank you, Varun. Thank you so much. With this, we come to the end of the listing ceremony. We are grateful to our host, NSE, members of the board, well-wishers, our shareholders, investors, members of the media, leaders, our team members who have joined us virtually as well, our partners who have worked together in putting this event together. And of course, this day wouldn't have been possible without the super rigorous efforts by the trio, by our CFO, Suresh Madali, Sri Lakshmi, our company secretary, as well as Krishna Chaitanya, our corporate finance head. A big round of applause for them. So, thank you so much again, all of you, for joining us for this special occasion. And with that, we come to the end of this event, of this special occasion that has marked a new beginning in E2E Rail's chapter. Before we say goodbye, we wish you a healthy, fantastic, and an incredible, successful 2026. Namaste, Dhanyavad. Please join us for the breakfast, which will be served outside. Till then, the stage is open for all the pictures and videos we may want to take. Thank you.